Hey everybody, we have an example here of what happens when a car gets into an accident. People don't even realize the stresses that are placed on all the components in a vehicle. Got ourselves a 2017 Mustang with an intermittent P0157 O2 sensor, bank 2 sensor 2. As you see, we have steady voltage here. This vehicle was in a pretty bad accident, or I shouldn't say pretty bad, but there's a lot of bodywork, frame damage, all kinds of baloney going on here. But the pin fit of the actual wire, could you hold that please? The pin fit of the actual wire right here is super bad. Like, I mean, it's just really loose. I'm just barely touching it. What many people don't realize is the connectors in vehicles are, of course, designed to resist vibration and all kinds of harsh conditions. But connectors aren't designed to have a huge load placed on the terminals within them. When a car gets into an accident, you got to realize the harnesses, everything gets stretched and damaged really quick, or pushed and pulled on. And when these wires are pushed hard enough to the side, it'll actually damage or bend the terminals within, and that can spread these terminals, causing a bad connection. In that example, that's what we had going on there. I'm barely touching it and it wiggles on and off, and if you look at our voltage on our O2 sensor, bank 2 sensor 2, you can see it's spiking on and off. So that's what we found there. We definitely have a pin fit problem right at the PCM connector. There is a lot of places this harness has been damaged. As you can see, it took a hit. Hey, thanks a lot for taking the time to watch this video. If you like this type of content, be sure to like and subscribe. If you're interested in more in-depth content and training and learning more about automotive diagnostics and processes, go ahead over to courses at handsonautotraining.com right here in the link, and you can sign up for our free or our paid courses. Hey, thanks a lot. Have a great day.